Autodesk understands the struggles faced by plant designers and engineers when collaborating across teams and locations. Keeping track of projects can be needlessly complicated, and managing permissions is often frustrating. And when it comes to commonplace compliance requirements, systems need to be set up to assure security, processing integrity, and privacy of customer data. That's why Autodesk created BIM 360 Design, the cloud-based collaboration solution for AEC professionals. BIM 360 Design, now with collaboration for Autocad Plant 3D, delivers an enhanced collaboration experience for plant designers and engineers. This allows for secure sharing of Plant 3D files and data between plant designers, engineers, and stakeholders. Plant 3D users can also share P&IDs with Revit users, providing them with a view of the overall plant design. The solution is project-focused, facilitating a clear way to organize, navigate, and view multiple projects. It also helps protect data and reduce the time spent making decisions by sharing the most up-to-date project information across locations and disciplines. Let's look at an example of how BIM 360 Design improves workflow collaboration within Plant 3D. First, the project administrator sets up the collaboration space in BIM 360 Design. The administrator then adds the project collaborators and defines the appropriate permissions before sharing the Plant 3D project to the collaboration space. The P&ID drafter will then create the P&IDs for the project. The piping designer will then create the 3D piping models using the P&ID as guidance. Drafters will then generate the necessary ortho and ISO drawings from the 3D model, including documentation such as bills of materials. All Plant 3D project DWGs from P&ID to 3D piping model to ortho or ISO are all automatically visible in BIM 360 Design when working in a collaboration project. The project manager can check the progress of the project at any stage and assign tasks as part of the review process. With Autodesk collaboration for Plant 3D and BIM 360 Design, users can manage permissions, share data easily and securely, and get more out of the software they already love.